In the early 2000s, a new era dawned in the realm of finance, as a visionary named Satoshi Nakamoto unveiled a groundbreaking concept that would reshape the world's economic landscape: Bitcoin. Born from the ashes of the 2008 global financial crisis, Nakamoto sought to address the systemic flaws in traditional banking and currency systems. The financial meltdown exposed the fragility of the global economy, prompting many to question the very foundations upon which it stood. Nakamoto envisioned a decentralized, peer-to-peer electronic cash system that would eliminate the need for intermediaries like banks. This system, he believed, would empower individuals and protect them from the very institutions that had faltered during the crisis. In October 2008, Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. In it, he outlined the principles that would govern this new digital currency. He proposed a solution to the double spending problem, a fundamental challenge in creating a digital currency. The heart of Nakamoto's invention was a revolutionary technology known as blockchain. This decentralized, digital ledger would serve as a public transaction database, ensuring the integrity and security of all Bitcoin transactions. On January 3, 2009, the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, or Genesis block, was mined. It contained a message from Nakamoto, the Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks, a reference to a headline from the Times newspaper, symbolizing the disillusionment with the traditional financial system. Over the next few years, Bitcoin gained traction, attracting a dedicated community of developers, investors, and enthusiasts. Its value was initially negligible, but it began to grow exponentially, reaching an all-time high in 2021. Today, Bitcoin continues to evolve, with hundreds of cryptocurrencies following in its footsteps. Its birth has sparked a digital revolution, challenging the status quo and offering a decentralized, secure, and transparent alternative to traditional currency systems. Nakamoto's vision of a peer-to-peer electronic cash system has not only survived but thrived, marking a turning point in the history of finance and economics. As we look to the future, the impact of this digital revolution is yet to be fully realized. But one thing is certain: the genesis of cryptocurrency has forever changed the way we think about money.